somehow sadly gay. Very much, really wonderful. Very lucky for us, this number. The glory that was Rome is of another day. I've been terribly alone, but forgotten in Manhattan. I'm going back to my city by the bay.
How'd you do?
All right. Nice people, fine people, radiant people, yes, yes. I've met some very nice people, some very, very, very nice people, but you meet the nicest people in your dreams.
It's funny, but it's true.
That's where I first met you,
And
you're the nicest thing I ever knew.
I've looked the universe over, from Whack-a-Sack to Dover, and now we have met my house, it seems. I love you more the more I know you, which only goes to show you, you meet the nicest people in your dreams.
Mad applause. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please, don't stop. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another big broadcast. My name is Rich Conity, and on this evening's big broadcast, we're celebrating a 10th anniversary. No, not of the program itself, since that doesn't come up until December of 82. We're celebrating my 10th anniversary. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It was 10 years ago yesterday. No, it was 10 years ago today at 6 o'clock at 5:55 that I first slithered behind a microphone. So we're celebrating that, a little bit of self-indulgence, and I've invited some friends into the studio tonight. We're going to have some fun. We open tonight's big broadcast with the New Orleans Nighthawks from 1980. My goodness, Nagasaki. After that, from 1976, Peter Snakehips Dean doing Dr. Jazz. And finally, from 1975, the new Paul Whiteman Orchestra, a group organized by Dick Sudhalter, Runnin' Wild, vocal by the New Rhythm Boys. Now here's a recording by the old Paul Whiteman Orchestra with a vocal by the old Bing Crosby. From 1928, let's enjoy Mary.